Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eclair cream step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 4 large egg yolks, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Don't forget a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Having everything measured and ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This foundational step sets you up for success in creating a perfectly smooth and rich cream. Now let's prepare our cream base. In a medium saucepan, whisk together your half cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Next, gradually whisk in the 2 cups of cold whole milk until smooth. Then, add the 4 large egg yolks, continuing to whisk until the mixture is a pale yellow and completely combined. This careful mixing prevents lumps and ensures a silky smooth texture later on. It's time to cook our cream. Place your saucepan over medium heat, whisking constantly to prevent sticking. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening, usually within 5 to 8 minutes, reaching a pudding-like consistency. Once it begins to bubble, continue whisking vigorously for 1 full minute. This crucial step ensures the cornstarch fully activates, giving you a stable, perfectly thick pastry cream that holds its shape beautifully. Almost done. Immediately strain the hot pastry cream through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This removes any small lumps. Then, whisk in 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until fully incorporated and smooth. Press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the cream to prevent a skin from forming as it cools. Finally, refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until thoroughly chilled and firm, ready for your delicious eclairs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.